Good evening and Merry Christmas. So I just finished up everything with my family and I decided to hop in the car and drive here to Disney's Magic Kingdom. It's a little after 8 p.m. Disney Enchantment is going off right now. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the popping or not, but it's going off. So the park is open until 11 p.m. tonight. So my plan is to head in and just do as much as I can and enjoy being inside of the Magic Kingdom on Christmas evening. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
The trams are back in service here at the Ticket and Transportation Center as the fireworks are going off right now as I'm making my way in. Well, I'm already off to a really good start. I got the entire monorail cabin all to myself here on Monorail Coral. I have made it here to the front entrance of the Magic Kingdom. Disney Enchantment just ended and everybody's trying to get back home into their hotel rooms. But me, I'm heading in. I have officially made it in. Now getting in was a little bit challenging just because there's so many people, but I'm in. Let's go have some fun. What a sight this is as it's snowing on Main Street USA on Christmas night. And here's what Main Street USA is currently looking like, as everybody is trying to make their way out and some people are trying to make their way in. Something about seeing Cinderella Castle with the Christmas projections on Christmas night just makes my heart very happy. I did not think I would be here tonight, but somehow I'm here. I'm looking at the current wait times. Right now the Jingle Cruise is 80, Pirates 10, Splash 10, Big Thunder 30, not too bad. Haunted Mansion 30, Peter Pan 70, Mine Train 60. What's Space Mountain? Let's see. Space is 50. So not too horrible. I'm sure these wait times will drop as the time kind of disappears throughout the night as we get closer to 11 p.m. Something pretty awesome about being here during the week of Christmas is you basically get the after hours event included in your park admission. I'm about to watch Very Merry Memories, which is Mickey and Minnie's stage show. We already seen this during the after hours event, but since I'm here, let's watch it.
Merry Christmas!
We're so happy to see all of you!
Happy holidays!
Merry Christmas!
Hi everyone! Oh, it's wonderful to get together like this.
Yeah, and you know what they say, the more the merrier. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh boy, that was fun!
Uh-oh, wait a minute. We're missing Donald. Where'd he go?
I'm here!
Oh, Donald! We found them!
Come on in, everybody. Feliz Navidad, amigos. Boa noite.
Feliz Navidad!
Merry Christmas!
The three caballeros reunited again for the holidays.
Time to celebrate.
All right, amigos, let's do this! Uno, dos, tres!
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Oh yeah! Oh, Feliz Navidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.
Goodness, who could that be?
No way!
What is it?
I can't believe she came! Folks, please help me welcome my dear friend, the diva of Derry, Miss Clarabelle Gow!
I don't want a lot for Christmas. weather. Hey, gang, let's celebrate the season with a holiday sing-along. Here's one I think everybody will know. Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
La 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 la. Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Bumpity-dum-dum, bumpity-dum-dum.
Over the hills of snow.
When they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be.
Who comes around on a special night?
Santa comes around on a special night.
Special night, big with light. Must be Santa, must be Santa, must be Santa, Santa Claus.
Good tidings to you and all of your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
That is a fantastic holiday show. I love watching that. I'm so happy I got to see it one more time before the season is over. But let's go try to ride some rides now. All right, let's go have a ride on Pirates of the Caribbean. It's only a 10-minute wait still. It was pretty much a straight walk on.
Fortune Rome. Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow.
Don't run.
Do not tell him, Carlos. No, 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 no.
Your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up me hearties. Yo-ho!
Search all you want, Captain Jack Sparrow. You'll never find the treasure.
Okay, the current time, it's a little after 9:30, so I still have about an hour and a half for some more rides. I am noticing the park is starting to clear out. I mean, there's still a good amount of people here, but not as bad as what it was when I first entered. Next up, let's go have a ride on the Haunted Mansion. It says it's only a 20-minute standby wait. That gets me every time.
Of course. There's always my way.
Left to right, wall to chain. If you can see the floor, there is room for more.
Toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tune. Please remain seated in your doom.
So back with the midnight train.
Christmas.
Be sure to bring your gift certificate.
That's pretty cool. Now I can say I rode the Haunted Mansion on Christmas Day. I have about 35 minutes left. That line got a little lengthy because it just stopped for like 5 minutes. Right now, Peter Pan's flight is a 40-minute wait. Not too bad. Ooh, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is still a 70-minute wait currently. So right now, Space Mountain is a 25-minute wait, which is pretty good. But first, I think I'm going to go have a ride on the People Mover, and then from there, make my way over to Space Mountain. Sounds like a good plan, right? There it goes. Let's hop on. And the People Mover was a walk-on. And away we go. I really love this attraction. It's always a must-do, especially when it's a straight walk-on.
If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy.
Looks like people are still Christmas shopping. I am now coming up on the Tron construction. There's still a lot to be done, but it's looking good. But they still have to do quite a bit of work. I cannot wait to ride this. Hopefully sometime in 2022. I'm now inside of Space Mountain. I cannot wait to ride this. Hello, Merry Christmas. Thank you. Check out this view of Cinderella Castle. How gorgeous. There's Main Street and the hub.
So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals.
Okay, and just like that, I am back in front of Space Mountain, getting ready to have a ride. Maybe I'll have time for one more attraction. I don't know, we'll see. And away we go. I'm so excited. Oh, here we go. Complete darkness to the stars. Merry Christmas, everybody. Oh my goodness. I love Space Mountain. That was so much fun. Definitely my highlight tonight. Oh no, they Mike Wazowski'd me. I just got off Space Mountain. I have 3 minutes to spare until 11 when the park officially closes. What do? Let's just go ride Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin, shall we? Oh yes, I made it with about 2 minutes to spare. Merry Christmas, Buzz. You got it. It was another straight walk-on. Okay, do I still got it? Can I still be a galactic hero? I don't know what's going on. We just stopped and I'm spinning. I'm going in circles, not going anywhere. Oh, nope, we're not moving yet. I feel like I cursed myself before I even started, but it was still fun. Thanks, Buzz. Not too bad at all as far as timing goes. I feel like I did a lot tonight. Let's quickly stop inside of the Emporium and see if they have any new Disney merch. I'm not sure. They still have a ton of the 50th anniversary merch. That's a neat puzzle. Here's the new anniversary Spirit jersey that was released not too long ago. Those are really neat looking. There's also some hats to match. Here's some new Minnie Mouse ears to match the Spirit jersey. This is such a cool Disney sweater for $52.99. There's nothing on the back. I love the tie-dye look. There's still a ton of Christmas merch all over the Emporium here. All right, Magic Kingdom. It's been a fun night. I still can't believe I was here on Christmas night. The crowds are starting to thin out as everybody is leaving back to their hotels and back home. This video is sponsored by Mickeytravels. If you're looking to book your next Disney vacation, go get your free quote today from Mickeytravels.com, as they never charge you anything to book your next Disney vacation, and they are one of the select few travel agencies in the world that are platinum earmarked by Disney themselves. Go visit my friends down in the description. Click on the link for your next Disney vacation. I chose to take the resort monorail, and I'm glad I did, because once again, I have the entire monorail cabin all to myself. as I'm making my way back to the Ticket and Transportation Center. All right, my friends, that's gonna do it for tonight's video. I had such a fantastic night getting to spend my evening here at Disney's Magic Kingdom. So happy I decided to come. I got to ride so many of my favorite attractions. I got to meet so many of you guys. But I do want to say a very big thank you to each and every cast member who worked today, because you know, you're working, you're not home with your friends and family, you're here making magic. So if you are a cast member, or if you know anybody who is a cast member, thank you, thank you, thank you. I also got to watch the Christmas stage show one last time. That's always a plus. I just love that stage show. Please, Disney, keep bringing that stage show back every single year because I love it. But that's all that I have for you guys today. Please continue to stay safe. Thank you all so much for watching and for all the love and support. I hope you had a very Merry Christmas. And YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside.